Good afternoon, class and professors. This is Rades Harden, and I'm going to do a video part of my discussion, week 5 discussion 2. I did my discussion. I was present outside within the nature, and I sat out there for an abbreviated period, observing my surroundings and watching all the things that was going on. And I noticed a lot of things that I haven't noticed before. I was noticing all the sounds that was going on around me. I was listening to the birds chirp. I was listening to the woodpeckers. They was pecking. I was listening to the dogs doing all they barking. And I was listening to all the combinations of things that was going on, but I noticed that it was all in like a symphony. It was all coming together as like a harmony, and they was communicating with each other because one makes one sound, one makes another sound, and it was going back and forth, the same sounds. But they were different sounds, but they was the same sounds all together. And so it sounded like a symphony or a harmony of everybody in the nature, all the creatures was communicating. And so besides all that, I had a visual of what's going on also. The visual, I was seeing like squirrels running up and down the trees with nuts in their mouth. I saw raccoons. I saw a family of raccoons. They was all in a line, following behind their mother. I assume it's their mother. They were following behind the mother. They were from big to small. Notice that. And they was looking for food because they was going back and forth, place to places, scrounging and scratching, so also they was looking for food. I also saw like vultures was circling. I looked up in the sky, I saw vultures. They was just circling. They was looking for something. It was something they saw that in the form of prey. So they was on the hunt. There was a lot of things in nature that I really didn't pay attention to until this course. And the question is, are we humans? Are we part of nature, or are we a part from nature? I think that we are a part of nature because we need nature to survive. We need nature for our food. We need nature for our water, clean drinking water. And also we need nature for shelter. We need the woods and stuff to help build houses and stuff like that. So we also need nature for shelter, just like the animals do. The animals need nature for food, water, and shelter. So I think that we are part of nature. But our impact on nature can be either positive or negative because of who we are, human beings, and we are the apex predators of this planet. And so the thriving of an environment is solely dependent on us as humans. And we should be very thoughtful of the things that we do as far as stuff we throw out, the waste that we have, the stuff that we use to cultivate our land, like our backyard, forest grass growing, crops and stuff like that. We need to understand that whatever we do has an effect on the environment. For our rivers, our streams, instead of throwing trash and plastic out in the streets, we should be able to understand that we need to recycle those things. Be part of the problem, be part of the solution, not the problem. And so we do play a big part in nature because we are part of nature. Also, I would like to say this class has opened my eyes up to a lot of things, and I appreciate everything that this class has taught me. As far as the footprint, ecological footprint, carbon footprint, I appreciate all those things that we have learned in here, because now I'm starting to use these things in my everyday life to try to make things better for me and the environment. So thank you for this Ashford University for this class. Other than that, that's all I have. Thank you. This is Bardez Horton once again, and I would like to say peace.